In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Copilot on Expensify. A Copilot is a trusted delegate who can help manage your expenses and reports on your behalf, which is great for assistants, finance teammates, or anyone who needs to handle receipts and submissions for you. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly what to click and what to expect, and I'll share a few tips along the way to keep your account secure. Start by signing into your Expensify account and heading to the home screen. From the left-hand navigation, open the Account section. This is where your personal settings live and where you'll control permissions for people who can act on your behalf. Next, select Security. This area manages logins, verifications, and delegation. Look for the option to Add Copilot and click it. You'll see a field where you can search for the person you want to add. Type their name, email, or phone number, and when they appear, select the correct contact. It's important to double-check you've chosen the right person, particularly if multiple coworkers have similar names. After you select the person, you'll be prompted to choose their permission level. If you choose Full, your Copilot will have broad access to assist with most actions in your account. If you choose Limited, access is restricted, typically to submitting expenses or reports on your behalf, so they can help without seeing or changing everything. A good rule of thumb is to grant only the access they need and expand later if required. Once you've picked the level, confirm by clicking Add Copilot. Expensify will then ask you to verify this change for security. Open your email inbox, find the verification message from Expensify, copy the code provided, and paste it back into the verification field in Expensify. When the code is entered, click Verify. This extra step helps ensure only you can authorize new delegates on your account. You should see a confirmation that your Copilot has been added. They'll receive a notification and can begin helping right away based on the permissions you set. If you ever need to adjust or remove access, return to account, open security, and update the Copilot's role or delete them from your list. That's it, quick, secure, and flexible. By choosing the right access level and completing the verification, you keep your data protected while making expense management a lot easier. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to add your Copilot in Expensify.